This would be manned by a crew of about a dozen men. A guy sitting on the opposite side of the mount has just a control stick that would be folded out here. He's controlling both the left and right movement. But if hydraulics fail and they have to go to manual, not the end of the world. You have these hand cranks here to act as a backup. So I am sitting in the trainer's position, and I would turn the cranks to elevate, to turn the gun left and right, and the guy sitting on the other side of the gun, he's just controlling the up and down motion of the gun, the elevation, and then right here, this foot pedal right here, this is the trigger.